4:14 p.m. It is April 30th. I'm recording just to see what the rainfall looks like on the windshield. I'll have a measurement posted below. And this is Jeremiah Johnson, Hi-Fi Drive-By, that you're listening to off of his new CD from 2023. Seeing what the rainfall looks like on the windshield. Maybe this will help figure out your rain insurance policy.
Red line lipstick, clutch dropping dial face, jamming on a stick shift, trash talking switchblade. She got a 68 Cadillac.
It's been a rainy day all day. Right now it's 4:16, April 30th, 2023. I'm in Lyons, Illinois. It's a Sunday.
I'm lost at sea, but damn what you do to me. I don't give a damn, honey, I ain't trying to play your games. It goes from kicking up a fuss to getting naked and drinking champagne. All the change, the only difference between hate and love, breaking hearts and making up. 10,000 miles from Mattawa, going off like the 4th of July. I don't give a damn, honey, I ain't trying to play your games. We go from kicking up a fuss to getting naked and drinking champagne. All the change. Swallow pride for the sugar cane. No surprise when you tempt fate. Price you pay with the ball and chain. Hell, I don't give a damn, honey, I ain't trying to play your games. We go from kicking up a fuss to getting naked and drinking champagne. Ball and chain.
I think that angle shows you the rain a little better. Okay, so I'm going to check with the National Weather Service where they measure rain. For this time, it's 4:19, and it'll tell me how much rain per hour fell at this time. And then in the notes for the video, it'll say this is whatever the measurement is of rain and how it looks on your windshield. And maybe this will help you to determine the amount of rain insurance you might want to purchase. Somebody else purchased or made a video like this, and it really helped me in purchasing my rain insurance. And if you're putting on a festival or a major event, I would certainly recommend buying rain insurance. Okay, have a great day and good luck.